Hello guys and welcome back to Eagles FS. This is another weekly forex forecast. In this week episode, I will show you how to take your positions majorly on GBP USD, Euro USD, and JPY pairs. Okay. But before we go to the chart, if this is the first time coming to my channel, kindly hit that subscription bell. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you know whenever I drop a new content. Let's go. Starting from Euro USD on a weekly time frame, you can see that the price has tested this support region and it's trying to retrace back. See what I mean? You see this zone, price has come to test it and it's trying to retrace back to at least there's another block here, and there's also a fair value gap here in weekly time frame. So we're expecting price to do what? To come back to this zone before eventually dropping down. Okay, so let's go to daily time frame and see how we can take advantage of this short uptrend. So in a daily time frame, you can see what is happening here, that the price is kind of ranging. You cannot predict anything on this daily time frame. So let's move down to 4-hour time frame for a further look. So in a 4-hour time frame, you notice that price has changed from bearish to bullish. How do I know? You can see that when price moved down to this yellow zone, it tried to push up here, but it couldn't. Try to push down again. Rather, price eventually succeeded in changing character by closing above this zone. See where I'm marking now. When price closed above this zone, this is called change of character. After closing above this zone, price moved down to do where this other block to gather momentum. And after gathering momentum, price break a structure. See it here. When price close above here, close all the liquidity here, it means that this trend in 4-hour time frame is healthy. Whenever you see change of character and break of structure in a trend, it means that that trend is healthy. So we are expecting this trend to do what? To come to at least this zone. Let me show you. We're expecting this trend in 4-hour time frame to come at least this zone. Okay. So, but the question is now, how do we join this buy to this zone? So what we'll do coming week on Monday is just get down to 15 minutes time frame and wait for a change of character, a shift in market structure to do a bullish. You can see what this market is doing now. In 15 minutes now, market is coming down, creating lower low, lower high, created another lower low, pushing for a lower high. Okay. So what we do, all we need to do is to allow price to create a structure and change character towards bullish trend before we buy. So next pair on the list is GBP USD. So GBP USD on a weekly time frame has also touched the weekly support level and is trying to retrace back to where? To this zone. This zone. This is where this price is coming. So the question is, how do we take advantage of this short buy to this zone? Let's go to daily time frame and find out. This is daily time frame on GBP USD. Okay, you can see that the market is already positioning towards bullish direction on a daily time frame. So we are expecting this price to come to this zone on a daily. We're expecting this price to come to this zone to complete what? Head and shoulder pattern. This is the head and this is the left shoulder, and we're expecting right shoulder to come here to complete this pattern before price would eventually fall down. Okay, so let's go to 4-hour time frame and see how we can take advantage of this short bullish trend. So in a 4-hour time frame, we can notice also that we are in a bullish trend in 4-hour time frame. How do I know? Because price change character here after closing above here. Price change character here. After changing character, price come down again and push up. I'm breaking a structure. See where price broke a structure here. I hope you are seeing it. Price broke a structure here. So what next do you expect? Expect price to fall down to where? To a discount area. So use your fifth level to measure it from swing low to swing high. To swing high. Okay. Okay. From this zone now is your discount area. Let me highlight it so that you see it. So when price fall into this zone is your discount area now. This zone that I highlighted is our discount area. So all you need to look out for now, the institutional reference point in this zone. There's a fair value gap here, very small. There's also another block here. So in 15 minutes time frame is where we'll be taking this entry. But what we'll do to do is to do what? Allow price to change character. Okay, you can see that 15 minutes time frame, the price is bearish. Okay, so allow price to change character to where? To bullish, then we'll buy. And when we buy it, we hold this trade to this zone. See where this trade is coming. Let me show you. We are holding it to this zone. When you buy from this zone, okay, our take profit is at this zone. So this is how we'll be trading GBP USD coming this week. So next pair on the list is GBP JPY. So GBP JPY is reacting to this zone now. After pushing up, this is weekly time frame. After pushing up, creating this higher high, price push down here. Okay. Now it push up again to this zone, but it couldn't continue the push. It lost momentum and price came down to this zone now. Now see what happened. Price on the third attempt, it break a level here. The previous side was broken. Okay. When this price was moving, there is a gap, there's an imbalance that this price created on a weekly time frame. And if you notice, price has come down to that imbalance and price is reacting to this imbalance. Okay. And this is what will take this price up. But let's see what will happen in daily time frame for further analysis. So on a daily time frame, you can see it clearly that daily time frame has changed character. Let me show you what I mean. Look at this place. When price closes above this place, this is a shift in market structure. Okay. Now price has come down because there's a fair value gap that price created here. Look at this place. There's a gap here. This is called a fair value gap that price created when this movement was delivering. So price has come back to this fair value gap and now price is reacting. So let's go to 4-hour time frame where we'll be seeing the pure direction of this trend. So in a 4-hour time frame, you notice in a 4-hour time frame that there is a change of trend. Okay, let me prove it to you. When price come down to this zone, when price moved from this zone and created this low, created lower high, price came down again, sweep this liquidity here. After sweeping the liquidity here, what next? Price went back. Okay, and the shift in market structure happened here. Let me highlight it so that you see it clearly. Pay attention. This is where the change of character occur on a 4-hour time frame. So after change of character here, what next? Price came down to this bullish breaker block. Let me highlight it so that you see it. Let me highlight it. This green candle is their bullish breaker block. Price came down there. Immediately price tap to this bullish breaker block. Price move up and break a structure. This is the structure that price broke above. So in any trend, when you see change of character occur and followed by break of structure, it means that that trend is head. So price has broken this structure. Now what next? Price has come down to this other block. You see this red candle here. Let me highlight it so that you see it. Price has come down to this other block. Okay. So price is at the other block now. All you need to do is to go down to 15 minutes where you'll be taking our entry. So in 15 minutes, you wait for what? Change of character. Simple. You can see it now. This is 15 minutes. All we want monitoring here is for a change of character. Once you see a change of character, that's when you do what? Buy. To where? To this zone. Let me show you where this buy will take you. If you buy from our other block, if you buy from this zone, you hold your price, hold the market. Market is coming to this zone. There's a fair value gap here. You understand? That will be because this trend is just a short trend from this zone. There's a fair value gap here. Price will react here. There's another fair value gap here. So when price come down back to this zone, that's where you'll be taking your profit. Okay. So this is how you trade GBP JPY coming this week. So next pair on our list is Euro JPY. So Euro JPY is also similar to GBP JPY. Because if you look closely, price break above here, created this higher high, came back again and trying to push up but couldn't. It fall back again and finally it broke here, causing a change of character at this zone. So after causing this change of character, price has retraced back to where? To this other block and price is now currently reacting on the other block on a weekly time frame. So let's go to daily time frame where we'll be seeing more price action. So this is daily time frame, and you can see the shift in market structure that happened on a weekly. This is it here, okay? And price move up, and price now push down to where you also look at there's other block here, and there's also a tiny fair value gap here. If you look clearly, you see it. So currently now price is reacting to this other block and fair value gap. So let's see what is happening on a 4-hour time frame to enable us know how we can take a buy. So this 4-hour time frame, you can also see that there's a shift in market structure, and also there's a change of character. Where, let me show you. You can see when price move down here and move up to created a lower high, push down again, clear all the liquidity here, and shifted structure here at this zone. This place that I highlighted is where the shift in market structure happen. After that, what next? You see that the price came down to where? To a bullish breaker block. Let me highlight it so that you see it. This green candle is your breaker block. Immediately price come to this breaker block, price started moving up, okay, and break a structure at this zone. After break of structure, what next? Price has come back to where? Other block. You see this red candle? This is our other block now. So price is currently at the other block. All you need to do is to wait for 15 minutes change of character towards bullish trend, and we'll buy to where? To this zone. Very simple. So this week your bias on Euro JPY is buy. We are coming to this zone at least this week. This is our bias, but the entry confirmation is change of character in 15 minutes before you buy. Okay, so there's a lot of potential on Euro JPY, GBP JPY, Euro USD, and GBP USD. Let me see you in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I will come there to reply your question. If this is your first time coming to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it so that other people will see this video. If you have not joined our free Telegram channel, the link is around the comment section because I drop 1 or 2 signals every week. Those signals are free of charge. See you guys in my next episode. Cheers.